Hello, this is Forrest Manufacturing. Today we're cutting some rebonded foam for our test cut. We're using a Model 236 with a 5/8 inch scallop edge blade. This is going to be take 2 of this video, since the first take I forgot to turn my mic on. Okay, so one issue I ran into with cutting really thin pieces is it tends to want to lean over and fall as you go through the blade, so I've got some extra foam just stacked up and leaning on the cut piece to keep that from happening. I've taken squares this size of rebonded foam. These are 26 by 24 square, well, rectangles, and I've sliced them up to make a 24-inch thick stack of rebonded foam. This is 12 pieces of 2-inch foam. I'm going to go ahead and fire up the machine. Zoom in on that. I'm afraid it's going to fall if I let go. Okay, as far as the length of the foam, it's a straight cut. Let me see if I can move you over here. So that cut is perfectly straight down the top. Something I did notice happening is the foam is compressing. The blade is going to move downward, and the foam, it's going to press on the foam downward. And that's going to compress the foam a bit. You get a little bit of deformation in the shape of the foam, which is why we have this little C shape here in our cut. Now that's going to be less of a problem cutting wider pieces. I started with a 4-inch wide strip in this cut, which I think is why that's so pronounced. So on the next cut, we're going to use thicker strips. Okay, this time we're using 2-inch thick pieces. We have 12 of them stacked for 24 inches. These pieces are strips, but I'm cutting them across instead of down the length. So this is going to illustrate how the width of your cut pieces can affect the quality of your cut, the straightness of your cut. Pretty straight cut. Pull this back. Oh no. See that edge is straight, this edge is straight. This was 24 inches of foam. This in fact is a 5/8 inch blade for even more of a straight cut, or more beam strength is what we call it. We could use a 1-inch blade. 1-inch blades would require a slightly larger saw than this. This is a Model 236. 1-inch blade might require a Model 204. This has been the Forrest Manufacturing test cut using a Model 236 rebonded foam with a 5/8 inch scallop edge blade. Thank you.